Hey you guys, it's Unique New TV, and I'm coming to you guys to give you an apartment tour. I moved about 2 months ago from my old apartment. My old apartment was a building that my school had built specifically for their employees, but it was on the outskirts of Seoul. So taking public transportation, it would take me an hour to get to school or an hour to get home, and a taxi about 30 minutes in the morning and about 45 minutes after school due to heavier traffic. But now I can walk to and from school, and I am now located in the heart of Seoul where everything is happening in Itaewon. So I just wanted to show you guys my new apartment. So let's go. Okay, so as you can see, I'm on the outside of my door, 101. And first, we'll come through this door. And this is on the outside of my apartment. And this is the washing machine slash dryer. It's a two-in-one, just like my old apartment. It does both things. And it's very narrow, so you can't really put anything in here. I have like the water bottles and cleaning supplies when my cleaning lady comes and things like that. So, okay, so that's on the outside. And just to get a look of, I mean, there's not really much going on out here. That's the front gate out there. But it's not like a keypad like my other one for the gate. But this is still a touch keypad where I put a code in to get in my apartment. There's no key. Um, so yeah, you come inside. First things first, shoe closet with all of my many shoes. And it's kind of open. Like you come in, I'm standing still by the front door, but as you can see my living room. There's the air conditioner over there in the corner, and a like air purifier thingamajiggy that the school provides over there. Water, TV, um, but all of this you can see from our front door. So yeah, I'm just going slow with the camera. So this is the kitchen. As you can see, it's like super small, okay? Like, look at that little bit of counter space. Like, there's nothing much you can really do. And it's like 3 cabinets. This cabinet is not a cabinet. It's like you can't put anything in there, so it's dumb. 3 drawers. And then like under here is like all cleaning supplies. So it's nothing I can really do with that. So yeah, the refrigerator is a lot different. Like I had a full refrigerator in my last apartment, and this one, the freezer is at the bottom, but as you can see, it's about a little bit bigger than a mini fridge, or maybe the same, yeah, a little bit bigger than a mini fridge, and then the top part. So I do have less space, in my kitchen and I mean in my refrigerator and my freezer. So yeah, this is supposed to be a second bedroom, but I do not consider this a bedroom because if you look, like there's not a lot of space. Slash dine I mean, this is really the dining room. Like the school provides you with a table and 2 chairs if you are a single person. So I guess you're supposed to like have meals in here. I don't. Or it counts as a third. Like they told me this was 3 bedrooms, but it's not. So anyway, I just have stuff in here like this chair, and this is a footrest, and I want to get rid of it. Like I don't use it. I had it in my old apartment, and I used my furniture allowance to buy it, so I didn't have to come out any pocket for it. But I don't really want it. Um, the dryer that I showed you, the 2-in-1, it takes a long time to dry. It just kind of heats up things over and over and over again till it's dry. So it takes forever. So a lot of times I just hang the stuff up in here, and I turn this on, which is a dehumidifier to suck all the like moisture out of the room. And if I put it up at night and then come back in the morning, it's everything is dry. This is a oven, so a lot like my last apartment where it does a bunch of functions, but they did not provide a manual like my last apartment, so I only know how to do like oven. So, I mean, the guy who lived here before me, he did give me a video on how to use it, but that's the only thing I use. And then a microwave and like my blenders and things like that. So this is what I call an extended kitchen. I'm like, who bedroom could this possibly be? Like, this is not a bedroom. But in Asian world, I guess they think that it is. Okay, so here is my actual guest bedroom. So twin bed, because you know they love giving twin beds out here in Korea. So I just kind of have like suitcases underneath the bed, suitcase over here. It just kind of has like a bunch of stuff in here, really. So because I don't have nowhere to put it. This is a bathtub that I had bought, but I haven't used it yet, and I've had it for like 2 months. So yeah. And in here, it has some stuff left over from the last person. I've hung up my like coats, but it just has like stuff in this wardrobe. That's part of the tub again. I guess maybe at one point there was a bigger bed. Like this was already here. This whatever this is and that. So I'm not. I was trying. I need to make sure I find out. Can I throw it away? Because it's just like taking up space in here. Um. So yeah, that's my second bedroom. And then this is the bathroom. It's very Korean. So, I mean, they did put this here, so at least it has a glass. But I liked my other bathroom a lot better than this bathroom for several reasons. Like, this is the counter. This is like, I mean, the cabinet space that I have. This and this. Like, it's very small. Like, so I like pack so much stuff in here, trying to just make all my stuff go in here. Like, it's just not ideal. And then it has a little counter right there or whatever. So yeah, this is my bathroom. Where's the light? And then the last room is my bedroom. So what I love the most is that I have a big bed. In my last apartment, I had a twin bed just like that other room, which is what the school provides. But now I have a queen size bed. So I'm very happy about that. And I bought this wardrobe from the previous owner. So it has all, I have a lot of stuff. I have a lot of clothes. I have a lot of shoes. I just have a lot of stuff. So it has like all of my many, many things going on in here. Um, so yeah, this is it. This is my new apartment. If you guys have any questions, drop them below. I still have a couple of questions to answer from one person who asked me some things that I have not done yet. But don't worry, I will do it. But like I was saying, see, I'm back by the front door, so I can stand at the front door and literally see my living room, my bedroom, the bathroom, the other bedroom, and the other bedroom or kitchen, whatever. So like I said, it's very open. It's very Asian. You know, when they built the other one, they built it more Americanized than the one I was staying in. But I overall like this apartment a lot better. One, because the location, like where I could just walk to and from school, and also because of I have a big bed and I have essentially more space because it's 3 rooms, you know what I mean? So anyway, if you need to have TV, like, subscribe, share. If you have any questions, let me know and I will answer them. I'll see you guys next time.